Are you well connected in the world of marketing? You spend years going to mixers, trading emails, and building a massive web of professional contacts. Yet, despite the immense effort required to build that Rolodex, most professionals capture almost zero direct financial value from it. Inside a traditional agency or corporate hierarchy, your salary is a fixed number. You might bring in a dozen high-value contacts, but your paycheck stays exactly the same at the end of the month. Without a specific mechanism to capture the value of those relationships, a massive marketing network is essentially dead capital. A massive list of names is useless on its own. You must also possess a genuine curiosity about the data and research that actually drives those businesses forward. Modern executives require actionable consumer insights to survive in a tight market. They rely on hard data to back up their next product launch or brand pivot. This creates an insights gap. On one side, corporate leaders are desperate for reliable data. On the other, highly specialized research firms possess the capabilities to produce it, but lack the warm introductions to the right boardrooms. When you bridge the gap between a corporate need and the firm providing the solution, you become the essential link that translates a raw data requirement into a delivered insight. Closing that gap is the primary role of a freelance business development executive. By partnering directly with Leap Research, you step into a position to directly monetize your existing connections. Your core function is strictly relational. You act as the vital, trusted link connecting your marketing contacts to Leap's high-end data solutions. You aren't responsible for actually running the focus groups or analyzing the spreadsheets. You strictly facilitate the initial relationship and close the deal. This operational model strips away the daily grind of execution, turning you from a salaried employee into an independent market maker. The traditional marketing grind ties you to a specific desk in a specific city for a mandatory 40 hours a week. The Leap model removes all of that friction. You gain absolute control over your schedule, enjoying the freedom to dictate your own flexible working hours and operate from anywhere with an internet connection. In a standard role, you hit an artificial salary ceiling. No matter what your network generates, your compensation line stays flat. Leap Research operates on a lucrative commission structure. Your payout ties directly to your success, scaling with every new client. Achieving actual financial independence in this sector requires completely severing the link between the hours you sit at a desk and the money you earn. While you operate independently, you are never pitching alone. You carry the full institutional backing of Leap Research behind every introduction. Positioning yourself alongside a trusted research partner allows a solo freelancer to pitch to top-tier corporate clients with the authority of an established firm. It demands a clear psychological shift. You stop asking a boss for permission to pursue a lead and start operating entirely as a business owner. If you bring a deep well of marketing connections and a curiosity for how data solves problems, the complex research infrastructure is already built and waiting for you to deploy. The heavy lifting of building a firm from scratch is done. All the traditional barriers to launching a high-margin, independent consulting business are gone. Stop letting your network sit idle. Monetize the relationships you've built and take the leap today. To start the process, contact the Leap Research team directly by emailing info@leapresearch.com. Or, for an even faster response, reach out via WhatsApp at 0811 255 55327. Take ultimate control of your career trajectory and partner with Leap Research right now.